this video, I'll show you how you can dual boot Ubuntu 20.1 in Windows laptop or PC. So let's get started. First, open up your browser and search for ubuntu.com, and this will take you to the Ubuntu's official page. Here click on download and then click on Ubuntu desktop. Here you have two versions of Ubuntu. One is 20.04.1 LTS, which is stable version of Ubuntu, and the next is the Ubuntu 20.10, which is the latest version of Ubuntu. I am going with 20.10, and both have the same system requirements, which are 4 GB of RAM, 25 GB of free space, and a USB pen drive to install it on your PC or laptop. So by clicking on the green download button, you can download this ISO file. I have already downloaded this file. Now I'll move this to my Windows laptop. Yeah, it's done. Now open up Etcher, which is a flashing tool used to flash pen drive with the ISO file. If you don't have this, I have given link in the description. From there you can download it. Once the tool is open, click on the flash from file, select the file and open it. Now plug in your pen drive and remember that your pen drive must be 8 GB or more. Now click on select target and choose your pen drive and then click on select. Next click on flash. It will start flashing your pen drive with the ISO file. It probably takes 2 to 3 minutes. Once the flashing is done, it will automatically unmount your pen drive. Now close the app and open up File Manager and right click on My PC and click on Manage. This will open Computer Manager, and now click on Disk Management. From here we need to specify storage for Ubuntu. I have only one disk, which is local disk C. You may have many disks, so right click on the disk from which you want to shrink the storage for Ubuntu. Now click on Shrink Volume, and I wanted to give 100 GB of storage for Ubuntu. You can give it as much as you can, but give it a minimum of 40 GB. Now click on Shrink. So 100 GB is unallocated. Now close this and shut down your PC. Don't remove your pen drive. Now press the power button and press the boot menu key. In my case, it's F11. Different laptops have different boot menu keys. We have entered boot menu. Here select your pen drive and press enter. Again press enter. This will boot Ubuntu on your system. Now click on install Ubuntu. Now select your keyboard layout and click on continue. Here you can choose between normal and minimal installation. I'm going with normal installation. Also, you can install third-party softwares for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and other additional media software. Once all done, click on continue. Next, we need to choose installation type. First is the dual boot, and second is erasing your Windows and installing Ubuntu, and the third is something else. I'm going with first one. By clicking on install now, it will automatically install Ubuntu on 100 GB storage that we have unallocated. Now select your region and click on continue. Now enter your name, username and password and click on continue. So finally, This will install Ubuntu on your disk. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes to install. Now click on restart now. This will restart your system. Now remove your pen drive. When it is turning on, press the boot menu key so it will open boot menu. From here, we can select which OS we want to boot. If you want Windows, you can select Windows, and if you want Ubuntu, you can select Ubuntu. Now I wanted to boot Ubuntu, so I'll select Ubuntu and press enter. Again press enter. This will boot Ubuntu on my system. And then click on Ubuntu. Now enter your password and press enter. So this is how you can dual boot Ubuntu on your Windows PC or laptop. If you think the video is useful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.